Hello students, my name is Professor Nate House and I just want to welcome you to English 098 Fundamentals of Writing. As you know, this class has been combined with your English 101 course in order to give you the support and encouragement you need during your academic journey here at CCP. I've been at CCP for 12 years and I hope to be here for the rest of my teaching career. I've taught classes at Temple University and Cumberland County College, and while I had really positive experiences at both institutions, it is at CCP in classrooms just like this one with students just like you where I've had my most rewarding teaching experiences. Um, I lived in Philadelphia for the past 30 years, from everywhere from South Philly to Brewerytown to Germantown to East Falls. I graduated from Temple University with a journalism degree. I then worked at the Philadelphia Tribune as a crime and courts reporter before returning to Temple to get my master's in creative writing. In a nutshell, I love reading, I love writing, I love teaching, and I love the city of Philadelphia. I've been really fortunate to have professors who gave me the skills and confidence to reach my reading, writing, and professional goals. I think the best way to repay them is to try to help you reach your reading, writing, and professional goals as well, and that's what I plan on doing this semester. As you can see here, we're going to be working a lot with Canvas, even though this is a live class. The notes, the assignments, the syllabus, and a lot of the materials, the readings are going to be housed here. We're mostly going to be working with the modules. We have 14-week semester, therefore there will be one module for each week of the semester. If you're not familiar with Canvas, don't worry about it. We're going to go over it and the entire syllabus the first week of class. So by the end of the first week, you should be able to use it without any questions or concerns. So enough about me and the course. Now it's time to get this class started and focus on you. You can never hesitate to contact me. The best way to do that is via email at nhouse@ccp.edu. If you have any concerns, questions, etc., just contact me. I'm here to help and look forward to getting to know all of you this semester. So let's go.